Hey student, welcome to Math Master Class in nice Olympiad math problem. Today we are solving 2 into power 11 plus 4 into power 11 plus 8 into power 11 divided by 8 into the power 11 minus 1. Now, first we simplify these 4. As we know that 4 is equal to 2 square and 8 is equal to 2 into power 3. Now we are putting this simple values 2 into power 11 plus 2 square into power 11 plus 2 into 3 into power 11 divided by 2 into 3 into power 11 minus this one. This is our question. This 2 into power 11 is 22 plus 2 into 3 into 11 is 33 divided by 2 into power 11 into 3 minus 1. So in next step, this 2 into power 11 plus this 2 into power 22 is also equal to 11 plus 11 plus this 2 into power 33 is also equal to 11 plus 22 divided by 2 into power 11 into root 3 minus 1. Now this will be first we use in here this formula n to power m plus n is equal to n to power m into n to power n. So next we apply this formula and we get 2 into power 11 plus 2 into power 11 into 2 into power 11 plus 2 into power 11 into 2 into power 22 divided by 2 into power 11 into 3 minus 1. Now we write this common 2 into power 11 into this 2 to power 11 multiplied by 2 into power 11 is 1 plus 2 into power 11 plus 2 into power 22. Now in this step we use for this we use formula a to 3 minus b into 3 is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now we use this formula in this line and we get 2 into 11 minus 1 into 2 into 11 whole square plus 2 into 11 into 1 plus 1 square. Now this 2 into 11 into 1 plus 2 into 11 plus 2 into 22 divided by 2 into 11 minus 1 into 2 into 22 plus 2 into 11 plus 1. This cut by this remain 2 into 11 divided by 2 into power 11 minus 1. That is equal to 2 into 11 divided by 2 into 11 minus 1. 2 into 11 minus 1. Now we write 2 into power 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 divided by 2 into power 10 plus 1 minus 1, and this will be 2 into power 10 into 2 into power 1 divided by 2 into power 10 into 2 into power 1 minus 1. We use this formula n to power m plus n is equal to n to power m into n to power n. Now this will be 2 into power 10 is also equal to 1024, as we noted, and we're putting this into this 1024 into 2 divided by 1024 into 2 minus 1. So 1024 into 2 is also equal to 2048, and 2048 minus 1, and this will be 2048 divided by 2047. This is our answer for this math Olympiad problem. Our answer is 2048 divided by 2047. This is very simple and tricky math problem. Hope you will understand. If you have any questions, session, please write in comment box. Goodbye.